Hi gang, Puppy here! It's June 4th and there's only 3 days to the massive June 7th live stream from Puppy's Workshop. Remember, I'm going to be auctioning off my haircut and shave. That's just the start of the wild. We're going to play Geek Chorus. Yeah. Geek Chorus, well, we look at someone else's vid and then we do the Mystery Science Theater 3000 bit. Only it ain't me and 3 robots. We got Hamster and me and the wife. And I will most likely, I'm gonna tell one episode of a TV show treatment I came up with and I've decided to abandon. Abandon where, Poppy? Yeah. Anyway, June 7th, noon, California time. Be there or be square.